So where we are scope. Now you will tell, sir, what is the work and how I need to do. Now you see what is the work, how I need to do, duration, in what duration you want the work, now till what time you want the work, then how you want the work. Now everything comes in one word.
Scope.
You need to you no need
What
to
is my
tell.
scope?
You no need to tell all the
Ask.
things. You
Yeah.
just tell manager, sir, please give me scope.
Okay.
So this word covers everything.
Okay.
What is the work? How is the work?
Okay.
How you need to do? At what time you need to do? Till what time you need to? So this is one technical word in working areas. Sir, can you please give me scope? Suppose if somebody is taking an interview and he don't know this word, so what it means? He is a
Not
newcomer.
professional.
We must say no. We don't say professional. We don't use word. He's not
Okay, he's
professional.
a
We use
beginner.
he's a beginner. We say he's a beginner. He don't know the real thing. So this is how. So now let's come to our job perspective. I think you open Naukri.com.
Yeah. This one only.
Yeah, this is the one. Naukri.com.
The son will not go to school.
Oh, he studied.
He
He's
studied.
he's an advanced man. He's too much advanced. You have not talked to her. If you talk to her, you will recognize that how much advanced. And he
Which school
talks
he
in
studied?
English. He talks in English.
Which school, sir?
That is, he studies some science subject,
How come he?
technological subject. Oh, because he's in my lecture, not sitting. Because whenever there is some interesting lecture is there, so I keep him sitting in my lecture and he listen very nicely. So he knows all technology, everything he knows.
Okay.
So now he don't attend all. Now he attend his favorite or his something which is new or something
Not
like that.
going to school?
No, no, he goes to school, but the school is also online.
Okay, okay.
Now you see, now you talk in Naukri.com. Huh? Accounting. No, you don't type accounting. Now you type QuickBook. Okay. Hmm? Already you will get that QuickBook. Huh? Now you see down. Need for tech sales agent. Huh? है ना PPC, POP, UPOL, antivirus QuickBook, process analyst QuickBook.
One second.
You are not right? अच्छा okay.
This one, this one.
Hmm? Yeah, this is only type QuickBook.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on search. Hmm? See down you see now. First what you got? You see. Put your mobile here. Here yes. So see first what you got? need for tech sales agent, है ना?
Oh.
PPC, POP, UP, AOL, antivirus, QuickBook. You see now with QuickBook also they are searching other knowledgeable person. Means
I didn't get
for
you.
means what I mean.
These are professionals.
No, these are also the knowledge.
Okay, like
Means in
books.
job you need 6 knowledge to get a job
Oh.
minimum.
Okay.
Minimum you
Here
means
one is QuickBook and another.
another is another knowledge, means another type of knowledge in office.
QuickBook is the one knowledge.
One knowledge, yeah. So whenever for job you need to have 6 knowledge.
6 knowledge.
But people don't make study like getting job. They just give you knowledge because you are paying the one knowledge money.
Mhm.
So they think they are greedy. They don't want to get you job. They just say that you pay me this amount, so I have given you this work. That's all. This is what they're thinking and all.
Yeah.
Getting the point?
Yeah.
Okay, talk in English, man. Talk in English. Yeah. So now, process analyst. You see what down? Process analyst. So you know what is process analyst?
No, sir.
No. Process analyst is what? Actually, I have used the word. You see, I use the word business process.
Mhm.
Huh? So business process. This process analyst comes under the business process. Business process is a big name.
Okay.
Business process is a big name in business. So, in business process is you can write down there. You can write down this, and then you can write down this also like knowledge
Yeah.
and job. So my intention is like you must get a job,
Yeah.
and that is what means we are for actually, because India and America is same. The living standard are same. Usually Indian and American common people they are into service industry. Service industry means what? We give service, we take salary.
Oh.
It's like that. Maximum majority of the Indian and American are service oriented. Got it? So now business process is very big area. Is how big area? It is like as example, you know any business name? Tell me any business name. Any business
Share
name?
marketing.
Okay, share market. Okay, share market. Okay, share market is also a business, but the word share market don't imply that there is only one activity. Huh? There is no one activity. There are number activities, like minimum 10 activities follow simultaneously, then one share market business get happen.
Oh.
Getting my point? So that 10 activity which is following line, that is called business process. Like as example, as as example, hmm, like you see, first act. Uh, we will go by customer. We'll go by customer. Hala, yeah. Yeah. We'll go by customer. Means like I am a share provider and you are my client. Suppose. Now, first, Asha comes to me. Comes to me. Given me 10. We'll say 10 lakh. We'll not say 10 rupees because it will start with 10 rupees actually. But we'll just to make interesting, we'll make 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Or we'll make 1 crore, 1 CR. I know, 1 CR. This is the first step, 1 CR. Asha given to me. Now, who I am? I am a middleman. I am not a direct company in mine. I am a middle one. I will write middle. I don't write name because there are a lot of middle front people are there. So I'm a middleman. So I take your 1 CR. Okay. Now what I will do with that 1 CR? Now this is one side of the business process. The another side, there are we can say side or column also we can say, means different aspect of the business. This is the one aspect of the business. The another aspect of the business is that I need to have the knowledge of, first I will ask your interest. I will ask you in which industry you want to invest in your in your money. Now you say some your interest, some any interest you say.
Designing,
No, no,
material designing.
no, not that job. Uh, you are giving me 1 crore rupees
That's
to
all.
invest.
That's to invest.
So where you want to invest?
Dress material on dress
No, no,
materials.
no. In share market.
Okay.
In share market, where you want to invest, where you want to invest. Now, usually people don't have a choice. People say that whichever industry is coming up, whichever giving us the benefit, I would like to invest there. Like as example, Reliance,
It's HDFC Bank.
Reliance, HDFC, Tata.
Okay.
है ना? As we will take an example of Reliance.
Okay.
Now, you will say, "Oh, I don't have any interest, sir." Sir, brother, whatever you feel comfortable, you say, "Oh, I don't have friend, I don't have any interest. So please, you do one thing. Whichever getting benefited, you do it. But I must get benefited. My CR must not get lost.
Okay.
My CR must not get lost. Okay. Then I will say, then I will talk to you. Then I will guide you with 2 3 companies. Then I will say, you see, Reliance since 40 years never come down. It is stable. If you don't get profit, also your money will not be lost. You will get the same amount of money. Like that, I will say to you, and you agree. You say, okay, do the things. Then I will invest in Reliance. Now, this is another aspect of the this same industry, same business domain, another business process. Now here what I will do, here also, okay, now you just type finance.google.com. I think actually they have deleted it, but if you
Finance.
finance.google.com and there you put Reliance. Oh, no, wait a minute. One page just you leave, just means finance.google.com. Then another page you open finance.google.com. Then there you put Reliance. Uh, one.
சொல்லுங்க வாங்க.
No, no, this one page you leave as it is, don't type anything. And another page you open.
கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆகும். 12:30 ஆகும் பாரு. ஆமாம். வந்தோடனே ஆரம்பிச்சிட சொல்லுங்க. பேசுறதுல இன்னைக்கே ஆரம்பிச்சிட சொல்லுங்க. இப்போ வந்துடுங்க. 12 o'clock வந்துடுறேன். இல்லை இப்போ வரேங்க பாருங்க 1 hourல. ஆமாம். ஓகே சார்.
So this is your mother?
No,
Then?
my tenant.
Oh. Mamma means what? like a polite word.
No.
Then
I didn't say mama.
no, in the end, you use the phrase "mama." It's
Okay.
like politeness.
Maybe I didn't use it.
No, you use it. That in the end, like in Urdu also we say "amma."
Mm.
For everybody we say like sister also sometimes we say
Yeah, we
"amma"
say.
like that. So once you just leave this one, another page you come. Click here. Now you click here finance.google.com. Finance.google.com. No, you are not type finance.google.com. You type finance.google.com. It will come same like before you typed it. Finance, FINANCE dot Google. No, don't go. You type it. It will not come because usually people don't search and usually you also don't search. You click enter. Enter. This came. Now you type Reliance there.
Reliance?
Reliance.
Reliance?
Yes, sir. Huh? Oh, yeah. You brought it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, money you want right now? One year. Yeah, total fee. You want right now or you can after? I have, but from boss I need to pay. So boss will. And one more. Yeah, I'll call you. I'm just thinking it is finished already. Yeah. You know,
Reliance?
Reliance you type
Yeah.
and the company name will come.
Reliance.com. No,
Only Reliance. You type only Reliance. You type Reliance.
Mm.
Hmm? No, Reliance spelling is wrong.
Do you have idea about share market?
Yeah, I'm expert of that. I'm CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. I'm doing for IT companies, IT related things. You know, so IT related, I have lot of good expertise
Even
knowledge.
I'm little bit interested.
IT companies, lot of expertise, and IT related manufacturing, IT related hospitals, IT related hotel managements. I am CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. It is called accounting engineering. Okay, now you see. Now you come here, and here you will get 1 day, 5 day, 1 month you are getting 1 day, 5 day, huh? Here you type 5 years. Here you type, you click on 5 years.
Yeah.
Click on 5 years. Okay. Now come up. Now here, come up. No, wait a minute. Hmm? I know. Hmm? Now it is very good to see, huh? To understand also. Now you see, you are finding up. Up you see you are finding 1168.95. Huh? Means that is today rate. That is today. That is what share rate. That is what
Today's share.
share rate for one.
One share is this.
This is the amount today's. So whatever, suppose if I want to purchase today, I need to give 1168.
Okay. For one share.
One for one share, but that share is of 10 rupees only. That minimum.
Okay.
That share is of 10 rupees only. Suppose if somebody is holding since long, so he will get from 10 or one share he will get 1168. So out of 10 rupees. But that holding long is very much. Like you see, huh? Now you come to 2015. Come to 2000. Move your mouse to 2015. Huh? Now you see what is the rate at that time? 430. And now it is going to, for one share it's going to this much.
Yeah.
I know. Now again, with different government. We don't use word government, but indirectly it is government only. With different stock. Different stock means every government has their own stock name. Like when we say Bombay Exchange stock. So usually Bombay Exchange stock is Indian stock. We say NSC. Huh? No, not short form. Usually, I now come to that page. This page. Come to this page. Now click here. Now, you see here, BSC Census, Nifty, BSC Limited.
This is all.
This is all different government. Acha, view more. We will say click on view more. This is all different government run by different government.
Yeah.
View more. Now, you see BSC Census. Now come to Google.
Google Reliance or running page?
No, just google.com, new page. Now you see, BSC Census is belong to whom? Bombay Stock Exchange. That is what short form of. Yeah, you type google.com. Na? Yeah, it's came. It's actually internet is slow.
This one.
Yeah. Now type here what is BSC Census.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Click first here. Because we have expanded, no? BSC space Sensex came down. Sensex. Huh? Yeah. So this is what
BSE.
Bombay Stock Exchange means registered for Bombay government.
Okay.
Registered for Bombay government. Indirectly it is in India government.
Okay.
Indirectly it is in India government. So usually for investor Asha, I will like ask minimum. I will like to know two things minimum. First, I will like the interest of investment.
Okay.
Where you like to have investment. Then usually she says that, oh sir, I don't have any interest. You just find anything which is benefited.
Yeah.
Second. Then another one question I will like to ask, like in which government or which institute you want, we use what institute here. Actually that is not institute. We use it. That is company. That is also one type of company which is managing the shares of all big company. So, but we don't use the word company for these people. We say institute because they are attached with government rules and regulation. That's why we use the word institute. So I will like to ask. You say no, sir. Make it New York.
Okay.
Make it
Another
New York.
government.
Yeah, another government. Make it Mexico. Make it Russia. Like that. And usually Indians say no, make it India only.
Which one will be profiting?
Actually, the most benefited is the New York.
New York.
Yeah, most benefited one is the New York because they follow a lot of rules, very good rules,
Okay.
and usually um, for establishing a company also there are a lot of things are required. For establishing a company also there are a lot of things is required. Requirement is are there. So usually Europe and American government they take keen interest in company. Like in India, they don't have any interest. You see, even a common person don't know where to open the company. And if you go to Dubai, you will get surprised. Even a beggar knows how to open a company.
Is it?
Yeah, if you can open a Dubai company from sitting by here.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Because government take interest in company activities. And in America, if you just land in bank or anywhere and you just ask bank people also, go, I want to open a company. They will open a company on your account and they will say, oh, this is your company.
They'll show that much interest.
That's much interest in company because company is only the one who have money roots or making money for government, no. But Indian government is so it's like Raj, not like lazy. It is not lazy actually. It is a tradition of like Rajmahal, Rajdhani, like kings, king type of concept. Like why I will help anybody? They must. They are all my servant. Huh?
Yeah.
I am their boss. They must come to me like that. The concept.
Yeah.
They know that company only earns, and company if earns, then you pay tax. Then we will run.
Yeah.
So they give the interest. Even you can open a company of Estonia. You just type. Yeah, really. European country, Estonia. Yeah.
Spell it, sir.
Estonia. Yeah. NIA. Just click and enter. Just enter. You just enter and see their means working way. Come down. You just see there. First, okay, come down. You see, their first interest visit Estonia to making money. Then history. Then third or fourth link you will get company only. Come down. In visit Estonia also. You see, you get this. Ah. You can open an account also. You see you are non-residents, but then also you can open an account because they know that. You see why people will open an account for money only. So we are giving the money.
Yeah.
That money will make a money.
Yeah.
But in India, you will get surprised. Even simply a private bank, if you go to open an account, they have a lot of process. They think that they are a king.
Yeah.
We must give them money. Oh, you are my king. It's a so comedy situation. Ali Baba, somebody is coming to give her money to you. So you must respect. He's your boss.
Here they
Yeah,
begin to
how
respect
they,
people.
how they, you will get surprised how they manage. Customer. Oh, go, sit there, sit there.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
Very well.
And you see, these people means we are not an their residence. We are not, but we can open an account from here, and we can put the money.
Okay.
So.
This is share market only, no, sir?
Yeah, means no. This is the part of the share market.
Okay.
This is not share. You see,
Business
as a
process.
business process, I told you this is one process.
Process.
So this is another process.
Okay.
Then managing means our money. We use the money because money is the big name and account is the part of the money. Money is the big name. Account is the part of the money. Hmm? Got it?
Okay.
So this is one process, this is another process, this is another process. So same way there are these three process are major process in share businesses.
Okay.
So these three process conjoin together to perform one activity. So this is business process. And the process analyst means what? He must understand where where and from how I can increase the profitability. So process analyst means what? He or she must understand how to increase the profitability. Hmm? What is?